Guys, I'm gonna be showing you my dogs. This is Monza. That's Tucker. This is Harley. Can you say hey? And this is Boudreaux. Hey, Boudreaux. Come here. Good boy. Ready? Y'all, come on. Slow it down. Let's go follow him. Ew, dog poo. What are y'all doing? Huh? What y'all doing? This is their hangout. This is their hangout out in the shade. That's that old barn. Old barn. Monza, come here. Come here, Monza. That's our cat's house. Monza, get down. That's Tucker. That's his reflection. That's the reflection off of the glass. Monza. Monza, what are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at? Huh? Ready? Come here. Come here. Come here, Monza. What are you doing? Huh? Come here, Harley. Look at Tucker. Tuck, what are you doing? This is Tucker. Comment down below which one you think is the cutest. Boudreaux. Monza Wanza. Harley. Stop. Let me get you in there. Monza. I mean Harley.